Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name January, Computer Science Study Program. I took Computer and Hardware Material. Next, computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that can be used to process data according to procedure that have been formulated so that it will produce information that is useful for the user. Computer definition. Definition: a computer is an electronic device that consists of a series of various components that are connected to each other so that they form a working system. The system in the computer can carry out work automatically based on program instructed to it so that it can produce information based on existing data and program. Next, understanding computer according to expert. 1. William M. Fowry. According to William M. Fowry, the definition of a computer is a data processing tool that performs large and fast calculation, including arithmetic and logic calculation, and this calculation do not require human intervention. 2. Robert Hablismer. According to Robert Hablismer, the definition of a computer is an electronic device that is capable of processing several tasks, including receiving input, processing input, storing commands, and producing output in the form of information. 3. Donald H. Sanders. According to Sanders, a computer is an electronic system that is used to manipulate data quickly and precisely, designed and organized so that it can automatically receive and store data, process data to produce output based on commands that have been stored in memory. 4. William Sawyer. According to William and Sawyer, the definition of a computer is a multi-purpose machine that can be programmed, can reverse data, fax and route image, and process manipulate this data into information that can be used by user. In general, a computer consists of three main elements including 1. Hardware. In device, hardware consists of processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. 2. Software, namely the operating system and also various applications that are inserted to the hardware and work according to commands from the user. 3. Computer user, brainware, namely a computer user or operator who uses a computer. Next, computer components. 1. Input computer. This component is a hardware component that has the function of giving order for various tasks that will be given to the computer. Some of these input components include 1. Keyboard, provides input in the form alphanumeric and other A, C, C, E interpretations. 2. Mouse and trackpad, tool that connected the brainware to the monitor screen. 3. Pen, for touch screen function similar to a mouse but looks a pen. Scanner, a tool for scanning images be entered to computer system. 5. Microphone, a tool for inputting data in audio from. 2. Process component. This component has the function of processing data or processing commands given by brainware, which are displayed on the output component. Some process in component include 1. Process, which is the main component in the data processing process. Motherboard, which is a component that connects various other components in the computer. 3. Hard disk. This is a component for storing permanent data on a computer, for example, a computer operation system. 4. RAM, which is memory to temporarily store various computer activity. Next, output component. This is a component that has the function of displaying information from commands that have been processed by the computer. Some output components include 1. Monitor, a computer component that can display the process being carried out by a computer. 2. Printer, a component that can print information into hard copy from. 3. Speaker, a component that can produce output in the form of audio or sound. Next, hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is a type of component on computer that have a physical form, can be seen and felt. So it can be said the definition of hardware in a computer system is a physical computer tool that is used to carry out several processes such as input, output, and processing. Hardware characteristics. Some hardware characteristics are as follows. 1. Has a physical form. One of the difference between software and hardware is their shape. Software can only be seen in appearance but has no physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt. 2. General hardware. Some examples of hardware are keyboard, printer, scanner, and modern hardware device. 3. Found at the outset of the computer. Most of the computer is on outset of the computer. However, not all of them. Some of them are inside the computer. For example, RAM and CPU. Media link between user and software. Hardware is a device that is useful for connecting user and software, which will receive input and then provide output to the user. Next, hardware function. The following are some of the hardware functions in a computer system. 1. Receive input. The first role of hardware is a recipient of input provided by the device user or user. For example, when you turn on the CPU by pressing on button to turn on the computer. 2. Provide output. Another important role of hardware is to provide a set of function or output required by the device user after receiving input. The output will later be provided both to the user and to a series of integrated software. 3. Place to store information and data. Hardware is hardware which has the function of storing output data. Usually, the output will be stored in a computer storage device. 4. Processing information and data. Apart from function as a place to store data and information, hardware also functions as place to process the data and information so that it can be read on your computer screen. Next, types of hardware. 1. Hardware output. Output hardware is a device that functions to produce new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. The new information is output via other devices. Here are some examples of hard output. 1. Monitors. The monitors has the function of displaying information that has been processed that way user can the information. 2. Printer. A printer is hardware that functions to print information or data into paper in the form of writing or image. 3. Speaker. Speaker are hardware that function to convert electrical waves into audio waves by vibrating their membrane-shaped component. 2. Input hardware. Input hardware is an input device whose role is to enter data in the from image, text, video, and audio into computer. Hardware. Some example of input hardware. 1. Mouse. The mouse function to move the cursor. Apart from that, the mouse can also carry out basic, practical, and fast commands. Generally, a mouse consists of 3 buttons, where to click button of the left and right, and then a scroll button in middle. 2. Keyboard. The keyboard is a quite important unit in processing data with a computer. Its function is to enter letters, numbers, and symbols as a medium for the user to carry out the required commands. 3. Scanner. This example of output hardware function to duplicate or copy image and text and then store them in computer memory. Next. 3. Hardware process. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on computer. This device can be called the brain of the computer because it carry out important process on data that is input. Some example of hardware process are: 1. CPU. The CPU is a device that is useful for controlling all process on a computer, including instruction management and producing the desired output. 2. FGA. This device has function of processing and processing graphic data. Later, the output can be displayed on the computer monitor screen. 3. RAM. RAM is type of hardware that can determine the access speed of a computer. Next. 4. Storage device. As the name suggests, storage device means storage device. This is part of the hardware whose function is to store computer data. Some hardware that falls into this type include: 1. Hard disk. A hard disk, or also commonly called an HDD, is computer hardware that can function as a secondary data storage area. The hard disk can be installed inside or outside the device. 2. Flash disk. Flash disk is data storage hardware whose connector is USB. This connector will make it easier for the device to connect to a computer or other media. You can use a flash disk to move data from one computer to another. 3. Optical disk. Optical disk is storage medium that can be read or written by laser light, where the general from a CD or DVD. Thank you.